Comfort in my car is a huge deal for me because I'm in my car so much of the day and because it's a vital part of what I do. The gas mileage is pretty terrible. I have to fill up like once a week. Have driven one once, but not for like an extended period of time. Wow, this is great. Incredibly responsive, so smooth. Would love something that just feels like it's doing all the work. But I feel like I barely have to even press the gas to get a fantastic response. I probably wouldn't have looked at this if I didn't have this experience. This is great. I might not give it back. It was awesome. It was great. I mean, really was like far beyond what I was expecting from the driving experience. We should definitely normalize electric vehicles because from a sustainability perspective, they are just like the right thing to do. And I think that the more we can incentivize people to not have to think too hard about getting an electric car, get people behind the wheels of them so you can see that it is just as good as, if not better than driving anything else. I would love it. I want to buy it.